If you've been looking to blend high-fidelity landscape audio seamlessly into your garden, flower beds, or patio without bulky boxes ruining your landscaping, you're going to want to stick around for this. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at the Polk Atrium SAT300 compact outdoor speaker in a natural, earthy chestnut brown finish. This is not your average, awkward, blocky patio speaker. This is a specialized, weatherproof landscape audio marvel engineered with a discreet garden-friendly design, flexible mounting options, and rich, detailed sound that brings your entire backyard to life. Let us dive right in and see why this compact powerhouse is an absolute must-have for your outdoor space. Right out of the box, the first thing that catches your eye is its clever, unobtrusive form factor. Finished in a textured chestnut brown colorway designed to mimic natural elements, the SAT300 can be planted directly into your garden soil or mulch using an integrated stake, hung neatly from your porch ceiling or eaves, or placed securely on flat deck surfaces. Built to live outside year-round, it features an IPX66 weather-resistant rating, a mineral-filled polypropylene housing, a rust-proof aluminum grille, and rugged stainless steel hardware that laughs in the face of heavy rain, UV rays, and extreme temperatures. It even includes a shock-absorbing gasket to shrug off accidental bumps from lawnmowers or weed whackers, plus an integrated metal security plate to keep it safely anchored in your yard. Now, let us talk about performance, because Polk packed some serious acoustic punch into this tiny shell. Equipped with a 3.5-inch long-throw dynamic balance, mid-range driver, and a 0.75-inch composite dome neodymium tweeter, the SAT300 delivers crystal-clear highs, smooth vocals, and surprising depth for its size. Handling up to 100 watts of power, it utilizes Polk's specialized capacitive coupling technology to maximize low-frequency response without distortion, ensuring your music sounds rich and balanced even in wide-open outdoor environments. Wiring and installation are completely hassle-free thanks to a built-in high-pass filter and a 1-meter direct burial pigtail cable that eliminates exposed wires. While it sounds fantastic on its own for background listening, it is also designed to pair seamlessly with an outdoor subwoofer like the Polk Atrium SAT100 if you want to build a full-scale backyard concert system. If you want to upgrade your outdoor entertainment, hide your speakers in plain sight, and enjoy elite Polk audio performance throughout your entire yard, the Atrium SAT300 is an absolute game changer. Click the link below for the best price.